This is a Jazzy 600 power chair. This power chair has 6 wheels on the ground at all time. This is an older model, so some of you out there might already have this one in your house. This is a fantastic chair. This chair was only used for a couple months, maybe 1 or 2 months. Tires are all brand new on it. The knobs are still on the dry tires. The only thing I've noticed with this chair, both motors are kind of noisy. So the price will be reduced on this chair because of the noise of the motor, but the motors are perfect. There's nothing wrong with the motors. They both, I don't know if they need to be broken into. They need to be driven more. I don't have time to drive the chair. We've tested the motors. These motors are equally noisy on both sides. It's just, maybe it's the way they came from the factory. The chair drives perfect. Everything is perfect except the noise of the motors. So if you're going to use this chair in your house, it's going to be even noisier because you're going to have walls and the noise is going to reflect. So if you don't mind the noise, the price will be reduced. Outside would be a great chair for outside also. Other than that, the chair is in new condition. 6 wheels on the ground, 14-inch wheels over here, non-skid wheels with aluminum rims. We've got a seat that sits on 4 poles. So this seat sits on 4 poles, so it's very stable. It doesn't have any wobble at all. The motors right here, these motors, there's 2 motors, one for each wheel. If you needed to put this chair in neutral, you would put the lever down, and now your chair is in neutral. Put the lever up, you have to do both motors. Both motors. There's a little scuff on the fender right here. I'm not going to fix, it's not worth it. It's probably in shipping right here. There's a little mark right there. This is a mid-wheel drive chair, so it turns around its own length. So it's very sharp turning radius. You can see turning. You can hear the motors, it's perfect. I mean, it's just, that's just the way they are. Alright, so we have a swing away joystick. It can be transferred to the left if you're left-handed. The suspension of this chair, if you watch me grab the front, you'll see the motor in the back move. So it's got a great suspension. The seat on this chair is 18 wide by 19 deep. You have a safety belt. The arms do raise up, and they also go out if you need more width. The footplate also raises up for easy exit. The batteries on these Jazzy 600s, they come out from the front. So there's a pin in the bottom right here. You see a string right here. Pull the pin out, grab this right here, the front end will come off, and the 2 batteries will come out. These are 55 amp batteries, group 22, which will give you about 13 to 15 miles on a battery charge, depending on your height and weight and where you're using the chair. On the front right here on the bottom is your reset button. You should never have to hit this button. If you get caught, if you're stuck in the grass and you overheated the motor, before you burn the motor, this button would pop out and you would just push it back in. This is your reset button right here at the bottom. Okay. This chair is 21 inches from here to the ground, so it's kind of got a low seat, 21 inches. This seat can be raised up 2 or 3 inches if we have to, if you need more height. The footplate can also be raised up if we have to. It's all adjustable. The seat is an adjustable seat. So if you need to transport this chair, this would be your highest point, would be right here. This is an adjustable seat. On the back of your chair, you've got your owner's manual. You've got a pouch, an adjustable headrest. This is how you adjust the seat width on the arms. And when you charge this chair, you would take your charger. Let me turn it around. And you would plug your charger right here at the bottom of your joystick. Right there. And then as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. So you don't have to worry about your charger overcharging. As soon as it recognizes the batteries are full, it'll stop charging automatically. So this is actually not the charger for that chair. Sorry about that. The charger for that chair would be this one right here. So, but anyway, we'll send the charger. The charger comes with the chair. So as soon as the light turns green, you charge, you're fully charged. So if you're looking for a basic power chair, meaning there's no electric, basic seating system, Jazzy seat. This has a 300-pound weight capability. It goes about 4.5 miles an hour. You'll see me drive it outside. Basic power chair, 6 wheels on the ground, great suspension. In new condition, just about, this would be a really nice one to look at. Let's go inside for the noise. You can't hear the noise out here because of all the motors out there. Let's go inside and we'll hear the noise. It's actually getting better. So the noise is not that bad. I mean, you could hear it outside because of all the heavy equipment across the street. My neighbor's got some pretty noisy equipment over there. But it looks like it's getting a little bit better. So maybe it just needs to be broken into, meaning you have to run the chair and the motors get broken into. Broken in, I should say. So this chair is a fantastic chair. Went through the grass. My grass is pretty rough out there, and it went through the grass with no problem at all. So this would be a really nice chair if you need something for outside or even inside. It's not as bad as I make it sound, but I want to make sure you understood the motors. I don't want, because some motors are real quiet and some are louder, and this is on the upper end of being loud. I don't want to send this chair up north and someone gets in their hallway and then call me back complaining we didn't tell you. But it does have a little bit of a noise, but it is getting better, it looks like. So this is a really nice one.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.